Hello. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me, for you of course. Today, let me introduce you Olubfdh Olubfdh Cordless hedge trimmer for our 80-volt batteries. It's a long hedge trimmer with brushless motor, 52 centimeter cut in length, 40 millimeter tube spacing, and 270 degrees rotatable head. It comes without battery and charger. And of course, it is compatible with our 80-volt battery sets at home. This battery telescopic hedge trimmer is compatible with such as the BL8030, the BL8030B, 8040, 8040B, 8050, 8050B, 8060, 60B, etc. Which are not included, okay? But included is the brushless motor. The electric hedge trimmer is equipped with a powerful brushless motor that provides 100% improved performance and 180% longer service life compared to conventional motors. With a low noise level of 75 decibels, it has a 270 degrees adjustable cutting head for trimming hedges in tight spaces. The deep curing process ensures uniform cutting results, suited for all users and garden beginners. And durable blade and a professional quality, because the blades of the hedge trimmer extendable are made of high quality 65mm steel with a laser cutting process, sharp and durable. The double blade design with a cutting wide of 52 centimeter and 40 millimeter tube spacing ensures a clean cut through the edge. Equipped with a knife cleaner that prevents oxidation by juice residue that's sticking on the knives and does ensures the longevity of the cutting blades. And of course, you can see it's light and comfortable, because this hedge trimmer, with a weight of only 2.5 kilograms, ensures its ergonomic and a non-slip design to comfortable handling and effortless operation. Even with prolonged use, there's no fatigue. Though that device is easy to use, even for older users. And double security lock design. That's for safety. You can see we have to push 2 buttons and then we can pull the trigger. Then it will be unleash its power. The knife guard works really good. We ensure an occupation safety. And it makes a good job to cut your areas. We can choose an expensive and a fresh tiny lifestyle performance device with a brushless engine and a carbon steel of 65mm with a 270 rotatable handle and a multi-layer security design, and 2000 RPM brushless engine brings us forward. The sharp blades of this carbon steel facilitates the cutting of the edges. And of course, we have 4 adjustable angles: 0, 45, 90, and 135 degrees. Rotatable handle. The phalanx achieves more easy cutting, and 40 millimeter cutting diameter is easy cutting to small branches. We have a spin stopper, a saw blade protection, a lightweight and portable device, and an ergonomic handle design. This brings us all this device. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.